If you're wondering how to set up reminders in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. In this quick TeamGate CRM explanation, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get reminders set up and keep your workflow organized so you never miss an important task or deadline. Make sure to stick around till the end, as I'll also reveal an exclusive deal and a few alternatives that might better suit your needs. To start, when you're inside TeamGate CRM, navigate to your Task Management section. This is where you can easily add and set up reminders for your tasks, meetings, and follow-ups. Next thing you'll want to do is create a new task. You can do this by simply clicking on the Add Task button and filling in the details, such as the task description, due date, and the person assigned to it. This is where it gets interesting, because you can also add a reminder notification, so the system alerts you when the task is due. The fourth thing you'll want to do is customize your reminders. TeamGate allows you to set reminders for specific times, whether it's a day before or an hour before the task deadline. You can even choose how you'd like to be notified, through email or as a pop-up within the CRM itself. It's a pretty flexible feature, but the one downside here is that while TeamGate CRM is solid in its basic reminder functionality, it lacks advanced options like multi-stage reminders or granular scheduling options. Now, let's talk about recurring reminders. TeamGate CRM does allow you to set tasks to repeat, but this can feel a bit limiting when compared to other CRM systems that offer more intricate recurring task management. For instance, you may need a reminder that repeats every week, but TeamGate might not handle it as smoothly as other systems. Next up, you can manage your reminders from the task dashboard. All of your tasks and reminders will show up in your central task management area, so it's easy to stay on top of everything in one place. One thing to note is that while this feature is useful, the visual layout could use a bit more refinement, as it doesn't always show reminders as clearly as you might want, especially when dealing with multiple tasks at once. To wrap up, TeamGate CRM is a solid choice for small teams who need to set up basic reminders, but it does have its limitations when it comes to advanced scheduling, recurring reminders, and the overall clarity of the reminder system. But before you make your final decision, here's a twist. There are a few alternatives out there that actually excel in these areas. These CRMs offer better task management and reminder functionalities, making them a better fit for those looking to stay organized and efficient, especially when dealing with larger teams or more complex workflows. You'll find links to these tools, which also come with exclusive free trials, in the description below. We've got an exclusive extended free trial offer for TeamGate CRM, but these alternatives may be more in line with your goals for managing reminders. Through our link, you'll get the best free trials and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. So, take a moment to check them out, because when it comes to reminders and CRM software, the right choice can make all the difference in your workflow.